Hey guys, so today we're gonna figure out how to fill out Form 2553 for S Corporation tax election. Hey, this is Sam Malai. I'm a business lawyer for entrepreneurs. I help entrepreneurs start and grow their business. One of the questions that I get all the time is to how to get S Corporation tax election for LLC or a corporation. Essentially, what you need to do is first form the company, either the LLC or the corporation first. Once the company is registered, then you want to fill out a special IRS form called Form 2553 to get S corporation tax election for your company. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. So first of all, how do you even get Form 2553? So all you do, essentially, you just Google Form 2553. And here you have it. It's a PDF. You need to download it or print it out. So here it is. We'll take a look right here. So the first page pretty much gives instructions of where to send in the form once you fill it out. So let's go through it. So the first part is the name of the company. So this is the full legal name. So if let's just say ABC LLC. If it's a corporation, if the full legal name, ABC Inc. Second is you need to provide an EIN number. So in order to fill out Form 2553, you would need to first get an EIN number from the IRS. So let's just say we have the EIN number. Third thing that you need is your business address. This is essentially where the IRS has your address on file, and also when the IRS assigns your S corporation tax selection, they will mail you the confirmation to this address. So here we have 123 Fake Street, number 203. The fourth part, date incorporated. This is the date where your LLC or corporation was registered on. So this is usually on the filed copy of your articles of organization. It will show you the date that it was registered on. So let's just say it was registered on March 11, 2019. Next is you want to fill out the rest of the address. So let's just say we have the city, the state, and the code, postal code. Next is you want to put the state where your company was formed in. So if it was incorporated in California, you're gonna write California. F, you want to check off calendar year. E, for under E, you want to put the date that it was incorporated. So it's essentially the same date as this. So you're just going to copy and paste the same date. Under H, you're going to put the owner name. This is the main person who owns the company. If there's multiple owners, let's just say there's two owners that own 50%, then you want to just choose one person and put their full name. Okay? So let's just say for me, I'm going to put my full name. Second is you want to put the title. For a title, if it's a corporation, you want to put president. If it's an LLC, you want to put managing member. Okay? Again, president if it's corporation, managing member if it's an LLC. Next, you want to put the telephone number of the person who's in charge. So let's just say my telephone address. You could skip this part. This is only if you're are filing your Form 2553 late. This is basically essentially called late election. If you don't know how to do this, I'll try to cover it in another video. If not, you should definitely consult with a business lawyer to get this filled out for you. And then you want to sign the bottom, write your title, the same title that you wrote up here, either president or managing member. Again, president for your corporation, managing member for your LLC, and then date it. Next page. You want to put the full name and address of each shareholder. So let's just say Sam Malai, my address, and then you'll need to handwrite your signature and you date it, and then number of shares or percentage of ownership. If it's an LLC, you can put it as a percentage. So let's just say I own, or let's just make it a little bit more complicated. Let's say it's me and a partner. So I'm 50% partner. So I'm gonna put 50%. Date acquired, this is essentially the date of incorporation, when the company was registered in. It's the same date as above. So that is March 11, 2019. And then I want to also provide my social security number. Obviously, I'm not going to type out my social security number, but you want to put your social security number right here. If you're a foreigner, you should ask a business lawyer how to do this. But essentially, you want to put your social security number or your EIN number here. And then your shareholders tax year end is December 31st. And this doesn't change. And then if you have another partner, then you want to put their information here. Again, you have them sign it and date it, and give them the percentage. Date acquired was the same date that the company was registered on, and then their social security number, and then 1231 by default. Let's talk about what happens if it's a corporation and you have shares. You have 1 million shares, so you will write million here. And let's just say you have 1 million shares that's between you and somebody else. Then you have 500,000 and 500,000. Okay? And then let's go to the next page. You want to just check this off, and the rest you could leave blank. So again, let's just go through it really quickly. The full legal name of the company. Make sure it has LLC or Inc. at the end. Your EIN number. Make sure to get your EIN number before you do this. Then your full mailing address. The date your company was incorporated in. The state where it was incorporated in. The date that the company was incorporated. You want to check this off, calendar year. You want to put the full name of the owner. The title is either managing member if it's an LLC, or a corporation if or a president if it's a corporation. Then you want to put their phone number here. Skip this entire process, this entire section. Sign right here. Write your title here. Date it here, and then your full name and your mailing address here. Sign and date here. Percentage entered either as a percentage or number of shares. The date that your company was formed in, your social security number, and then December 31st by default is usually. And then make sure to print this out, and then you want to sign these two parts over here, and date this part and over here by hand. And then once you do that, you scan it, and then you'll need to either mail it or fax it. I would advise you to do both just in case, and I will provide this where you're going to be mailing it and where you're going to be faxing it. I'll provide this information in the description. Just check where you're located. Essentially, wherever your company is located. If the company was incorporated, and let's just say in Hawaii, then you want to mail it to this address and fax it to this phone number. The same thing. Let's just say your company was registered in South Carolina, then you want to mail it to this address and fax it to this number. Okay, so make sure to do that. And then it typically takes about 2 months for the IRS to respond back. They usually will mail you a confirmation letter within 2 months. If you don't hear back from the IRS, then you need to follow up with them. But this is essentially how you fill out Form 2553 for getting X corporation tax selection with the IRS. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll be happy to answer. If you'd like to see more of these videos, subscribe below. And if you're looking to start your company, click the link in the description. I look forward to helping you. Take care.